Hi and hello there, Cancer! Welcome new subscribers. I'm Yan. Nabubulol. I'm Yan. Ulitin natin, no? Hi and hello, new subscribers. My name is Yan. Welcome. You can also bring your other loved ones, friends right in here. Jowa nyo, crush nyo, asawa nyo, tara rito. Sa aking mga returning Istam buyers, thank you so much. Cancer. Kung meron ditong cross-watcher si Cancer, welcome ka rin. May Cancerian placement sa natal/birth chart, welcome din kayo. So, what we're gonna do today is alamin natin yung plano ng isang person connecting sa inyo strongly, okay? So, kung hindi niyo pa alam, may other channel, link down below lang sa reading, sa description box ng reading na ito, no? At pag clinic niyo yun, mapupunta kayo doon. Araw-araw nag-upload din tayo ng collective readings for all signs there, okay? So, wala tayong gender, bio, laki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. So, just take only what resonates. Feel free to pick up the messages resonating or connecting sa'yo. Leave the rest behind kasi baka yung iba ay for others naman. So, Archangel Michael, maraming salamat. Guardian Angels of Cancer, can we get messages about this person here? Anong plano nitong person na to kay Cancer, please? Anong plano nitong person na to kay Cancer? Just take only what resonates. This person's plan for Cancer. Okay, let us see. The energies na meron dito ay Queen of Coins, the Emperor, Seven of Cups, Nine of Wands, Queen of Cups, Hierophant, the Star, Ten of Wands, Ace of Wands. Okay. Okay, Cancer, no? So, nakikita ko dito, this person here wants you to be happy. That's for sure. That's for sure. Okay, pero meron ditong energy, no, Cancer, no, na kung sino man itong energy na to, no, yung plano niya rito, no, is to let you go, to finally makahanap ka, no, ng para sa'yo. To let you go, or there's this energy of Nine of Wands, eh. It looks like not to let you go, I think that's not the right term, no? But this person right here, no, is telling you guys, no, na he or she isn't the one for you, that you deserve someone else, no, or let's say someone better, no, or someone who is really best for you guys, no. So I do see that this person right in here, no, is someone na, yeah. But something's weird right in here. Others of you, okay, whoever this energy is, no, there's a possibility that hindi kayo nagkaroon ng relationship nitong person na to. Yeah. Okay, but just take only what resonates. But yes, meron ditong energy na, okay, karamihan sa inyo, this is someone here na nakarelasyon nyo na. So, this person here, no, ay letting you go because this person here wants you to be happy. Kasi this person right in here, no, ay someone, yun yung pray niya for you or wish niya for you. So, if this is someone here na posibleng hindi naman kayo nagkaroon ng relationship, okay, but this person here, no, ay someone wishing the happiness when it comes to love here for you guys. It's definitely true. Okay, gusto niya dito na talagang maging happy ka. Okay, and if it is your ex-lover naman right in here, no, this person here ay ganun din. So, if it is your ex-lover here, though nasasaktan, though hindi niya rin alam kung ba't niya yan sinasabi, kung bakit kanya rito nila let go for you to be able to find someone else better than him or her or better than your ex. Okay, kasi nga alam niya rito na may mga pagkukulang siya, alam niya na lumayo siya, alam niya na nasaktan niya kayo. So, parang siya ito, no, na dinidistansya yung sarili niya rito from you guys, no, kasi hindi siya yung nararapat sa side mo, no, habang buhay. That's why. this person here, ang plano niya rito, no, is hindi na magpakita sa'yo, hindi ka na guluhin rito for you to be able to find real happiness right in here. Plano niya rito, no, na i-wish ang lahat ng luck sa love, good luck sa love for you. And nakita ko that this person here with the Queen of Cups, no, this person here knows that you can be able to find true love, okay? Dahil hindi ka naman daw mahirap mahalan. So nakita ko din dito Cancer na kung sino man tong energy na to, this person here also knows that you are someone who has a good heart, no? So definitely, okay, mabilis ka rin dito, no, na matatagpuan mo yung talagang right one for you. So yeah, I can say that whoever this energy is, whether this is a person here, no, na ex mo man or hindi, this person here, isa lang ang hangad niya for you. That happiness, that kind of life, okay, na yung talagang taong kaya kang pasayahin, paligayahin, yung taong hindi ka sasaktan or bibiguin, no? If this is your ex speaking right in here, this person's plan is to finally detach from you guys. Not to show up anymore. Okay? This person ay nakikita ko rito, no, naiiwasan kayo. This person right in here, hindi magpapakita na sa inyo. No, this person here will maintain his or her boundaries right in here, even though this person here, no, ay ginagawa niya pa rin ngayon na tingnan kayo sa inyong social media right in here. But this person, definitely, ay someone na nakikita natin dito, no, na desidido na siya rito, no, na ikaw ay palayain na, 'no? Para mahanap mo na talaga yung person for you, 'yan, 'no? So, yung iba, 'no, na maaaring hindi mo naman nakarelasyon 'tong person na 'to, 'no? Maybe kasi, eh, meron rito medyo medyo hindi ko mabarag kasi yung kung sino 'to, parang few of you guys, no, kung sino man ito, no, parang, etong person na 'to, no, ay someone na alam mo yung merong parang mala-mirror 'no, na hindi ko mabarag kung ano yung, parang there's something here. This person could be super highly talaga intuitive 'no, like, itong person na 'to 'no, ay someone rito who knows everything but keeping it quiet 'no, para siyang, low-key pero alam niya lahat 'no. Pero isa siya ritong, human being 'no, pero very super talaga high intuitive 'no. Like parang this person here 'no, binibigay niya sa'kin yung mensahe na na hindi siya yung for you, that there's someone, na talagang para sa'yo, 'yan. So, maybe this person here 'no, hindi siya yung energy na ano, eh, salbahe, hindi, eh. Parang this person could be keeping his or her life private, low-key, ganyan, 'no? Puwede rin naman that this person right in here na ay also baka meron na siyang karelasyon, that's why. Okay, or yung person naman na ito 'no, ay may possibility na there could be other reasons behind. Kasi parang iba siya, eh, okay. Parang yung energy niya 'no is, ah, parang we're alike 'no, parang just like me, okay, this person's energy that you're dealing with here is, high possibility 'no, na posibleng very, very, very spiritual and intuitive. That's why I can't really define the reason behind, but this is a good person right in here. That's why this person here, yung pagwi-wish niya ng happiness sa'yo na hindi niya mabibigay sa'yo is totoo na gusto ka niya talagang maging happy. Yan. So that's all I can say for that person. But for a lot of you, this is your ex naman na hindi na talaga kayo rito guguluhin kasi ayaw niya rin dito na maalala ninyo yung mga pain, yung wounds, no, na naidulot niya sa life ninyo. Okay, so nagma-mature ang iyong ex-lover dito, no, pero patuloy pa rin siya rito, no, na tinitingnan ang iyong social media platforms, ano man 'yan. Okay, Facebook, what's this? Instagram, TikTok, no, kung may ganyan kayo, no, yan. Okay, others of you could be posting reels, captions, mga ganyan, or stories, mga ganon. So, just take only what resonates. So, this person here still seeing that, no, or nakikita niya pa rin yun. Okay, or just, looking at your day-to-day posts or your photos. Okay, so yung nakikita ko, no, here initials, we have here capital letter M, capital letter Y, capital letter C, capital letter F, capital letter T, and capital letter victory V. For small letters, we have here O, A, N, E, P, and last but not the least, small letter L. So these are all the messages we've got right here for ya. Cancer, thank you so much for your time here, babe. Again, I'm Yuriana. Ani for the girls, Inyana, Duna for the boys. Sana may love and light. Ani.